Do y'all be hearing him though? My brother say you need me, I never tell him no. More money, more problems, baby, but I'm still happy.
I really need somebody. Tell me you need somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the back, your body.
What it do, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jayla Marie, all that, okay? Before we get into this video, I just want to start off by saying Happy New Year to everyone out there. I pray that this year is filled with blessings, love, prosperity, peace, and health and wealth. Amen. So, y'all, because it's a new year and we get to start off on a clean slate, I decided that I was going to do my vision board. Now, real quick, y'all, let me just let y'all know. I was already in the midst of like doing my vision board. And I was like, you know what? Since I'm supposed to be taking content creating seriously, I was like, let me actually do that and make my first video on the first day of the year. Duh. I'm gonna be nothing but completely honest with y'all. I'm not gonna lie, okay? I made a vision board in 2024, but I did not get to make a vision board for last year, for 2025. So I decided that I was gonna do a vision board again this year because 2024 was a really good year for me. Like, I had did a vision board that year, and a lot of stuff that was on my vision board I actually completed. I had made a vision board at my auntie house, but I did not have enough pictures because, y'all, she had the biggest poster boards ever. Y'all, she had some big old poster boards. And I wanted to completely cover my vision board like how I did in 2024. Like, I feel like I like that mixed in collage. You know, I don't know. I just like that look. I like that way better, instead of all that empty space and stuff like that on my vision board. So I decided that I was just going to, you know, redo it. So I decided that for 2026 I was going to make a vision board so I can keep my eye on the prize and stay focused on the things and goals that I want to do and accomplish for this year. So with that being said, I basically went ahead and broke down that vision board, and some of the goals and things of that nature that I had on my 2024 vision board that I did not accomplish, I decided should be recontinued into this next vision board. Because I just feel like even though I didn't get to complete those goals in that year, that doesn't mean that another year to come I can't actually complete them. I just want to make sure that when next year come around, we not still trying to complete the same old goals and we actually getting somewhere. Progress, okay? So I just decided that I was just going to take the pictures from the vision board that I made last weekend and then the vision board that I made in 2024 and like mix and match and collage and, like, you know, thank you, put something together. If y'all can't tell based off what I'm telling y'all, I'm very particular. That's it, that's all. For those of you who do want to make a vision board, just get you a frame, some pictures from Walgreens, and then if you want to add like 3D sticker things, like stuff like this, show y'all, stuff like that, or things like this, they'll have these at like the craft stores and stuff, like, or sometimes they be having little random stuff like that at Walmart and stuff too. With that being said, I'm just gonna show y'all the vision board and we're just gonna go from there. So y'all, I took a picture of how I want to glue everything down so that when I do start gluing everything down, I won't get confused, so I could remember the blueprint. And then I also have some extra stuff right here on the side for just in case I decide that I want to use that or whatever, which I doubt. I'll probably use some of this stuff over here. Y'all, this is what my vision board layout is looking like so far. Like I said, y'all, this is literally the vision board from 2024. So I literally just ripped the pictures off of the vision board. And then I saved some of the pictures that I knew I still kind of wanted to see if I could reincorporate. And then I also had a whole bunch of new pictures from the new vision board that I had made, like I told y'all like a couple days ago. Yeah, I just cut out everything that I wanted to cut out, and then the pictures that I wanted to leave like big and whole, I did just
Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going, twin? Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going then? Take me through that, take me through that. We gone. Take me through that, take me through that. She gone. Out of that booth, she gone. Out of that over the air, she gone. I'm taking her up through the two of my go-to player. Hydra, 2 player. Got body like she went on a drill. Look right, she go trim. Cut it, get it on film. 4 course meal, she ate up the drip. She wanna go through the yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the fried. Gas up, shout it, up through the cool like a rider for real. I told her charge me up, my phone died. She going no kill, yeah. Take me through that, take me through that. When you down, when you on, bitch, when you down, when you on, when you down, yeah, you on, when you down, bitch, when you on. Okay, big daddy, oh, these niggas know I'm on they road. Big fish, I'm O2 road. Bitch, that mean I'm on the road. Good brain on the road. I need that on my soul. I'm riding the beat, damn, yeah, on my toes. I compete range. I went pink rain. I went caught me a grill. I went Johnny Dane. I'm still shitting on bitches. Let me go chain. I went Cuban links. They went broke chain. See on the nose swim. This is channel 22. Pussy nigga, what you wanna do? Riding with a 5, so it's on a 2. He a head, that's a head hunter too. Look, he know what he come to do. Riding around with some big beats, but my name ain't Brunner too. But my name ain't Brunner B. I'm who bitches wanna be. I should name these bitches KJ, cause these hoes sons of me. They keep wanna give me kinda lean. Got my stripes like a bumblebee. Bouncing on the shit right to left. Bitch, I'm hitting my shoulder lean. Pussy, damn, I'm putting you on. Big Leo, I'm song for song. This ass so fat. I'm going thong for thong. I'm a dog, kids too. We going bone for bone. He beat my shit from the back. He love when I scream. I'm going cone. Bitch, damn, when you down. City, maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up another you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? We're standing with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Then you can get a roof on. Like you hard.
we're about to cut all that little excess. Yeah, we just cut it. You don't really gotta cut it perfectly for real, because once you put the frame on the picture, the border on the frame gonna cover a lot of. This the frame. Yeah, we're just gonna turn it upside down. Y'all gotta cut some more of this. Oh my goodness, just go in there. Just gonna fold it if you want it. If you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Period. I'm geeked up. Cause y'all, I already finished my vision board. If you want it, if you want it, if you want it. This is what the finished product look like. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all, 2026 is about to be an amazing year. I could just feel it in my spirit, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content that will be coming this year for 2026. Thank you.